This is about the interquartile range for a list of numbers, and it can be a little bit confusing as to what to do. So first of all, let's have a look at a question. So I've got some data there. I've got 11 pieces of data, and I want to find the median, the lower and upper quartiles, and the interquartile range. First thing, I want to put the numbers into order. So we've got them in order, and as there are 11 numbers, we're going to choose the 6th number, the one that's exactly halfway in the list, which is number 10. Now we can see to the left of 10 as we're looking are 5 numbers, and to the right of 10 there are 5 numbers. So 10 is bang in the middle, so the median is 10. Now to find the lower quartile, we're going to take the 5 numbers to the left and write them out. We're not going to include 10, we're going to discard it. We're going to find the middle of those 5 numbers, 6, and that's our lower quartile. We're going to repeat for the upper quartile by taking from 11 to 23, and the middle of those numbers is 15. So we've got our upper quartile of 15, so that's the third quarter, if you like. Now the interquartile range is the upper, take away the lower, so you take 15 and you take away 6, and that gives you 9, and that's the interquartile range. Now that's nice and neat because we've got 11 numbers. What happens if we were to have 12 numbers? So let's look at another example. So here I've got 12 different numbers. I've actually left them in order, so let's just write them out again here in order. And because I've got 12 numbers, position 6 and 7 give me my median. So I can now see there's 5 numbers to the left of 19 and there's 5 numbers to the right of 20. 19 add 20 and then divide by 2, which gives me the number halfway between 19 and 20 for my median. Now, rather than take 12 to 17, I'm actually going to include the 19, which is the tricky bit to remember. So this is now taken the bottom half of my group, if you like, to find the lower quartile. And we're going to do the same thing we did when we found the median. Because we've got 6 numbers, we need the middle of the middle 2, 16.5. Now we're going to do the same for the upper quartile, but instead of starting at 25, we're going to start at 20, so we have 6 numbers. Look for the middle of the middle 2, 32. And now our interquartile range is 32 take away 16.5, which is 15.5. So the important thing here to remember is when you've got an even number of numbers and you take 2 numbers to be in the middle, you're going to include those numbers when you write out and find the quartiles.